Hello, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new folder in the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Organizing your files into folders helps keep your documents and photos tidy and easy to find. Let's get started. First, open the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Once the app is open, look for the plus icon located at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Next, select the Folder option from the menu that appears. After that, enter the desired name for your new folder in the text field. Finally, click on OK to finish creating your folder. Your new folder will now appear in your OneDrive, ready for you to add files. Thanks for watching. Creating folders in OneDrive makes managing your files much simpler and more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more useful tech tips.